Hello folks, today I'm showing you what I just got. Solar car flashlight. It's not just a flashlight, okay? Here's a menu. You can do a lot with it. Like emergency light, magnetic. You can cut the seatbelt with it. You can break the window, and it's solar charging, and it's also charge your phone. Yeah, everything is all in one. I think every car should have one of these. Here's where you can charge the device itself via a USB-C connection right here, and you can charge your phone using the USB port right there. Okay, and here is very nice. This is very sharp, so there's a cover, which is good. Alright, this is to break your windshield, windows, whatever. And here's to cut your seatbelt. Alright, and here's just a light, LED light. You can do a lot with it. Okay, so what you can do, you just leave it like this on your dashboard when it's sunny out and you are out, you know, camping or whatnot, and this is being charged and it's be ready for action at any given time. I don't know what I can do with the bottom here, but it's a pretty cool device, pretty cool product. It's gonna go into my vehicle and stay there. Hope that video helps you.